Aries, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 16 to 2022. So, if you are interested in private reading, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Paka-check yun na lang. And of course, please subscribe to this channel to support this channel. Like, share, and also comment kung kayo ay naka-resonate sa reading. Okay? So, let's see, Aries. What is up? Energies coming to you this week. You have the 8th house. Oh, mystery. And then you have the South Node. Oh, energy ng past ito. And then solar calm, clarify. So, meron kayong aayusin na unfinished business. O, literal na unfinished business or talagang mga situation, issues na hindi nyo na harap nung mga nakaraan. Some of you, this can be investments, pwedeng loans, na alam mo yung parang babalik, no? Some of you, pwedeng ito ay mga responsibilities nyo pagdating sa finances na kailangan yung harapin or, solusyonan. Some of you naman, this can be a past relationship na marirealize mo na if this connection or relationship is meant to end. Maari kasing yung iba, you are still energetically connected from the person. Dun sa person from the past na hindi ka maka-move on. So this week, you are finally accepting things na wala ka ng control. 8th house is also about interest sa mga bagay na esoteric or spiritual or mysterious. So pwedeng iba sa inyo this week, manonood kayo ng mga scary movies or mga true crime stories, ganyan. Okay, let's see what else. You have the 9 of Swords, the King of Cups. Oh, you've been thinking a lot lately, Aries. Marami kayong iniisip. Some of you are dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. Meron ditong troubles sa isang relationship, pwedeng asawa mo, pwedeng naging karelasyon mo. This person might be reaching out sa'yo this week and pwede kasing gusto niya tong ayusin. Oo. Nasa sa'yo kung bibigyan mo pa ng chance. But for some of you, pwedeng you will also realize na baka worth it naman na bigyan ng chance tong person na to if this is a romantic connection. I also see na pwede rin tong isang opportunity na pinalagpas mo or lumagpas sa'yo, na miss out mo nung mga nakaraang buwan or even years, na ngayong week na to babalik yung opportunity na yan. Let's say, a job na dati gusto mong pasukin pero hindi mo magawa dahil busy ka or may mga ibang bagay kang pinagkakaabalahan. And then ngayon, may pagkakataon ka na ulit na gawin yon or i-pursue yon. What is the 9 of Swords? Merong mukhang merong hindi magpapatulog sa'yo eh. This can be a person na iniisip mo. 9 of Wands. Meron kang gustong ipaglaban. This can be a relationship with someone. Kasal, yung iba sa inyo. Yung iba, you're going through a major challenge in your relationship. Lalo na kung kayo ay married. Or this can be a contract, kontrata, na iniisip mo paano ka makakaalis dun sa challenge na yon, kasi pwedeng Merong kang na-miss out na importanteng clause sa kontrata na hindi mo akalain na kasama pala yun. Pero alam mo yun, minsan hindi tayo nagbabasa ng kontrata tapos pirma lang tayo ng pirma. And then eventually pag nagka-problema, naisipin mo na, ay sayang kasi sana pala hindi ko pinirmahan, hindi ako nag-agree kasi may mga bagay pala na hindi ka naintindihan. Okay. Ang lakas ng Scorpio rito ha. So, I'm seeing the energies of Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Taurus. Yan. May ending rito, Aries. Some of you are ending a connection situation with someone. Kasi maaring hindi ka na sure sa feelings mo towards this person and you feel like hindi na in alignment of what you want in a relationship or even in a situation. So for most of you, this can be related sa sa romantic connection, partnership. Yung iba pwedeng sa work, sa career. Let's see what else. Oops. Uy, may mga secrets. Baka may revelation ng mga secrets na pwedeng mapag-awayan. I feel like meron dito na may ginawa siya na hindi alam nung isang tao na kailangan niyang malaman yon. Hindi niya pinaalam. So, pwedeng nagkabukingan and then kaya nagkagulo. So, example, sa trabaho, merong ginawa yung isang person, yung isang empleyado, tapos hindi alam ng boss niya. Tapos nalaman. And then, nung nalaman, nagkagulo. Or even sa relationship, may naging desisyon yung partner, tapos hindi alam ng partner, tapos hindi pala niya yun gusto, so nagkagulo. Communication is the key to success. Kaya medyo risky kasi to eh. Kaya yung iba sa inyo, maaring you realize na mas gugustuhin nyo na meron kayong kalayaan na makapagdesisyon na dumiskarte sa mga gusto nyo kesa sa merong tao na na lagi kang dapat na isaalang-alang. Oo, kasi minsan nagiging hindrance yan eh. Initiations, be open through this transitional time. Yes, may transition talaga, may nagbabago sa inyo, Aries. Speak your truth, have strength, faith, and conviction in your voice. It has never been more needed. Yes. So, sa ngayon, parang magpapakatotoo ka na, nasabihin mo na kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari, whether this will lead to a separation or ending of a situation. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.